Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
Starting with Michael, Josh, Anton Jr., Ashton, and Eric. Palakpakan natin, guys! Woo! Yung may kasama may energy naman. Ganun po yun. Yung may energy, palakpakan na malakas. Yeah! Alright! Yeah, mas malakas dapat ang palakpakan natin dito because this is yes, the father and the mother. The reason why we are all here, gathered in this wonderful place, beautiful place, at kakain ng masarap na food later on. This is the parents, the loving parents. Tawagan ko na, guys, hindi ko na patatagalin, Miss Venus and Sir Anton! Palakpakan na kita ng yaman! Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh. Aba, parang kulang na energy talaga. Pero ito kailangan tatayo tayo ng malakas dito. Tatayo na tayo. Ito na, grand finals. Tatayo na. Kasalubungan natin talaga. Warm, most round, most loudest applause. Sige na, tayo as we... Sandali lang. Sige. We welcome the debutant herself. Bigyan natin standing ovation. The beautiful, the princess of the night, the queen, the most lovely, the gorgeous star, Miss Vian. Palakpakan mo sa musika!
Get on one with your imagination.
Huwag tumigil sa palakpakan. Yes. Okay, sige, picture taking. You may now sit down, guys. Thank you so much for participating. Picture muna with family.
A loving daughter and a helpful cousin and a trusted friend in the person of Vian. May you continue to shower her blessings and keep her on the right path so that she may realize all her dreams and remain humble, God-fearing and responsible young adult. Bless also her family and all those who care and love her. Lord, be our silent guest tonight as we celebrate Bea's 18th birthday. Be with us, O Lord, and bless everybody who made this event possible. All this we pray in Jesus' name. Amen.
I love it here. Let's just enjoy the place. Later on, after this, we're gonna have my favorite part of the program, which is dinner. Oh yes. Okay, sige, after ng dance, smile tayo. There's a photographer. Ano na pa photographer natin sa kabila? Ito po. Okay, smile. 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay, next up. Friend pala. Such a cozy place, no? Warm na warm.
Ma'am, mamaya pag dadaan po ako dito. Pakusod lang po. Hindi ako makadaan. Dadaan lang pa saglit.
Among the 18 roses.
Mamaya na to kaya.
Roll. Aye. Ayan. Ang laging handang tumulong si Kuya Aaron. Pag-asikaso ng mga bagay-bagay for his sister.
Ma'am, siya naman paikutin mo.
Ang iha nila, Sir Anton.
Ma'am, siya naman paikutin mo, ma'am. Bawi ka, bawi ka.
Si Kuya Neddy.
Yeah.
The friend of the 2M.
Last na.
Sir Arman. Yan! Daddy Anton! Woo! Ayan. Such a very special dance, daughter and father dance. Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan. Iiyak. Sino kaya iiyak sa gano'n?
Paikot ka. Ako na lang.
So lovely talaga tonight. Our debutant, Miss Bea. Perfect color for such a lovely face, yes. Ganda pa rin ganyan po. Bagay na bagay sa'yo, Miss Bea. It's called Peach. Our color motif is peach. Guys, picture tayo, Daddy. Tatayo muna ang lahat. Tayo muna kay lahat. Yan. I was told na kulang ang energy. Ha?
2 years since the last time we saw each other, and I just want to wish you a very happy, blessed 8th birthday today. Thank you.
Sige, Sige po. Sige po, ma'am.
Sisindihan daw ba o mamaya? Kasi walang space. Gusto maglahat eh.
Kasi blow mo.
Bean, Bea, I still remember you. Pinsan ko po siya. So first of all, happy 18th birthday to you. Thank you for inviting me here. And actually,
Sige, ma'am.
kasi almost 14 years ba? 15 years bago, before ko siyang, huli ko siyang nakita. Baby pa talaga siya. And now, na di mo ka na, 18 ka na. So, wish ko ay una, blessings to have more successful, mag-aral ka mabuti, and think ka na, but always pa rin makikinig kay mama and papa, ha? And lumaki ka pa na may takot sa Diyos. Maging masaya ka all the time. And huwag ka muna magmadali. Nandiyan lang yan. So, yun. Happy 18th birthday. And mahal na mahal kita. Lahat kayo. So, thank you for inviting me here. After a decade, nakita rin tayong lahat. Bundaverse Clan! Hey! So, yun lang. Na-blow na. So, yun lang. Thank you. Thank you po.
Sige, lapit ka man para hindi ka maiyak.
Happy birthday, favorite princess! 18 ka na! Ayoko! Uy, magkaganda ko yan. Aral ka lang mabuti. Kahit di mo ako sinisin sa IG. Mention ka na hindi mo. Hindi na ako mahal na mahal dito. Pero mag-aral mabuti. Hi, Brean. Hey! Happy 18th birthday. I'm so proud of you. And you achieve more. I hope that you continue achieving your dreams. I'm so very happy to be part of your childhood and your teenage years. More memories with you. Stay young and beautiful.
Challenge, but you can get through it. Stand up for yourself and don't give up about your dreams. We love you at the end.
Okay na sa picture. Okay na sa picture.
Life of you and may you have many more years to come. You do good deeds in your life. Always be happy and always take care. Happy 18th birthday and baby.
Lapit ka, te.
Hi, everyone. Happy birthday. Good luck in your future. Nurse. Ano lang, yung ganito.
Wala kang choice.
Ano? Healthy lang lagi. And then, galingan sa school. Yun. Thank you po.
Ano lang po yung pag-aaral mo po. And para sa kinabukasan, happy birthday ulit, Ate Bea.
Hindi, ito lakat na ano ko lang dito eh. Ayoko na natin.
Happy birthday, Bean. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Sana bumalik ka natin sa badminton.
Happy birthday, Bean. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo. Then, pag may problema, syempre, huwag mo sarilihin yun. Mas okay nang in-open kay tita, kay tito. Mas magaan. Sorry. Yun. Nagalingan mo lang lagi sa school. Yun. Wish all you well. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bean. Enjoy your day and smile always. Ingat ka palagi. I love you, Bean. Happy birthday, Bean. Ngayon lang ako magiging okay kasi birthday mo eh. As you step into the spotlight of adulthood, remember that your debut is reflection of the strong, beautiful, and individual you become. I love you, Bean. Hindi man tayo kompleto ngayon ni na Mitch tsaka ni Jen. Pero lagi tayong kompleto sa picture na. Anyway, pag may pag-time tayo, please, gala. Love you! Dito pa talaga tayo nag-reunion sa birthday. Kasi lagi hindi natutuloy. We've known each other since grade 7 and got more closer together when the pandemic started. So basically, we've been besties for 6 years. Our friendship grew as time passes by. We've seen each other's highs and lows, even our imperfections. No matter how long we are separated from each other, it's still not an excuse for our friendship to break. We may have drifted away from each other, but you're still my true Words can express my love and support for you. I'm very grateful to have known you till this day. We'll always be here for you no matter what happens. Never forget to take care of yourself and choose the right path in chasing your dreams. I wish you all the best, happiness, and love that you deserve. Enjoy your night, our lovely princess. May you have the most amazing 18th birthday. I love you so much. Happy birthday. So, happy birthday to my girl since grade 7. Although hindi tayo palaging nakikita, since after grade 7, nag-start ang pandemic. And then the year of Ash, which is me, Pia, and you choose to study in different schools. But I want you to know that our friendship will always have a special place in my heart. Our trio will never disappear kasi kahit hindi tayo nakikita, ganun pa rin yung bond natin sa isa't isa once we reunite again. Now you're finally 18, you're already a lady with passion and plans. May all your wishes come true. May the next chapter of your life be even brighter than the last. We are all scared to be a grown-up, but I know that it's time for you to shine to be a lady. Again, happy birthday, everyone. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday to my best friend since grade 1. So even though hindi tayo masyado nakapag-hang out together, gawa ng hindi na nag-aalay yung schedule natin, I just want to let you know na andito lang ni always for you. I'm so proud sa lahat ng achievements na nakakamit and nakakamit mo and sa ibang bagay na ginagawa mo. I'm always on your side rooting and supporting you. As you enter this new chapter,
Hindi ka kita.
brings you all the happiness,
Hindi ka
success,
kita.
and love you deserve. Enjoy every second of this exciting milestone. You know naman na I love you so much. And kahit nga na di tayo masyado nakakapag-hang out, never magbabago yung bond na meron tayo. Again, happy 18th birthday. Happy 18th birthday, ma'am.
So I'm gonna start my message to you by wishing you the happiest birthday. I hope everything good goes your way because you really deserve it. I couldn't be more thankful that I got to chance to be one of your friends because you're the sweetest, the nicest, and isa sa mga thoughtful person na nakilala ko. There's still a lot of time ahead of you, so just enjoy life without pressuring yourself too much about the future. You're a great person, Bead, and I won't doubt that you'll be successful in the future. Just live in the moment, but at the same time, since you're an adult na, you have to take responsibility in everything that you do. Huwag ka magpasaway. Don't give your parents headache. It's normal to sometimes be rebellious, pero not to the point na ituthrow mo yung buhay mo. No. Though I don't worry too much about sa magiging future mo because I know naman na you will be alright. I hope every good thing comes your way. And whenever you feel down, I'm here lang. As your friends and your family will always have your back. I'm really grateful that we met and became friends, and I got to witness your growth throughout the time na magkakasama tayo. I'm really glad that I sat next to you nung first day. I hope we're still together in the future kasi the next time na maglo-long speech ako sa'yo ng ganito is probably sa kasal mo na. I wish you a good health, good life, and may the odds be in your favor. I love you, Be, and happiest birthday to you.
Blow, blow.
Bea. Hi, Bea. First of all, I want to greet you a happy birthday. Welcome to Legality. Since you were 18 na, hope you achieve your goals, wants, and your dreams. Malapit na tayo mag-iwalay-walay as the CM. Hope you find the perfect path for you. Huwag mo kaming kakalimutan. We always here. As your friends, you can always help us. Vean is one of my trusted friends too. Thank you for listening to all of my rants and be there always by my side. I love you, Bea. Even though mas matanda ka sa amin nila Tenching. You're always our baby.
Ayan, so impromptu speech. So, hi, Vean. Dito na naman ako sa harap. Hindi ko alam. Nakasama rin pala ako sa handles. Akala ko sa bills lang. So, ayun. Since nasabi ko naman na yung gusto ko sabihin kanina, I'll just add some to it. So, welcome to the legality world. So, be responsible kasi hindi porket is legal ka na, gusto mo nang gawin at magpaalam ka pa din sa mga kapatid mo and tita and tito. Magpaalam ha! Hindi yun nakikita ko na lang sa story mo na. And kidding aside, so yun, good luck sa college journey mo na nursing, I heard. Yan. Good luck. Good luck din sa bulsa nila tito and tita. Ayun, so, I will just thank you for inviting me here kahit biglaan, no? Sabi ko lang naman, happy birthday. Sabi ko, send Gcash. Ngayon, no bills. Nandito na. In person. Kaharap ka after 2 and 3 years. I love you, Bebe.
Hindi naman. Kaya manipis naman eh, hindi naman.
Happy birthday, Bea. I'm so grateful for our amazing friendship. Every moment with you is filled with love, great conversation, and memories that I always treasure. I'm truly happy when I run with you. I'm always a good time. Thank you for being such an incredible friend. Wishing you all the happiness in the world today, and always may this year bring you more joy and unforgettable moments. Cheers to many moments together.
Hindi ko siya kilala
personally, pero maganda siya. Message na lang. Yes, 18 age of legality, pero ito rin ang age na more responsive na darating sa'yo. So, be responsible enough and have fun.
Ayan, pwede nang umupo po pagka tapos mag-message. Thank you so much! And you may also give a few tips paano maging successful para all. Yes. Si Kuya naman. So, I believe he's just a proxy, so but I believe he could still say a few words naman for our birthday celebrant.
When you send happy birthday.
Yan, happy birthday. Sige, pwede nang upo, boss.
Bea, happy birthday. Welcome sa adulting. Sana matupad mo yung mga goals mo. Ayun. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bean. Sana maging, maganda yung future mo. Huwag ka magpapasaway. Ayun na.
Kabila. Sige, pasa nyo lang.
Happy birthday, Bean. The past has come and gone. The best years are yet to come. Wishing you a long, happy, and a healthy life. Love you.
Dito kayo.
Bean, happy birthday. Pag-aaral mabuti and makamig pila tita. Love you. Siguraduhin mong last na to.
18 gift, meron pa.
So, description, I would say Bea is a very fun to be with. She's pretty. I would say poultry to do news. That's why I like her. Thank you.
For my description, I think Bea is like a Disney princess tonight. Because she looks like Sleeping Beauty from the looks of her dress. It's pink. And ang message ko sa'yo, I am her second oldest female cousin because the oldest is my older sister. Yung nauna mag-message. And ang masasabi ko lang, Bea, happy birthday and welcome to Legal Age. Thank you so much sa aming Tito Anton and Tita Venus for inviting. And we are happy na nakarating kami ng safe dito dahil from Batangas pa kami. And I'm happy na nakabanding ko ang mga cousins ko na ang tatangkad na, ang pupogi, ang gaganda. Ang masasabi ko lang, success is not all about money or blue pills. A successful person is happy, healthy, a person who has a lot of friends, like all of you here tonight, family and loved ones. So, lagi natin itatak sa isipan yan. That's all. And we love you so much. I'm always here, your ate. You can always message me anytime. I love you.
And the winner!
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Alright, sige.
Dyan na lang po kayo. Dyan na lang
Ay,
po.
masyadong madami. So sige, balik mo na doon.
Dito muna iba po, dito po.
Masyadong madami. Let's have first.
O sige ma'am, mauna ka na.
Hindi mo alam niya, surprise yan. Yung naglalakad ako sa mall, iniisip ko siya, nakasalubong ko siya. Hindi ako pinahirapan kasi gusto niya talaga yan. Happy birthday, Ate Bean. Kinikilig ako pag sinasabi ni second mother ako dito. Wala kasi ako babae na happy birthday, kabay itong bata ko. Like, hindi kay mama at kay papa mo. Happy birthday.
Message of enlightenment then.
Happy birthday, Bea. Thank you for inviting. Yun lang. Sana magustuhan mo yung video.
Hello, kayo na naman po eh.
And
Sige po, akma lang.
Miss,
kaya sabi ko na sa utang na lahat. Pero like before that, dapat niligalo ko sa'yo. Full the ramen dapat niligalo ko sa'yo. Pero like, I thought na bagay sa'yo yan because it's beautiful. And you're beautiful as well. Nakalock siya actually. Tanggalin mo. Sirain mo na, oh my God. So, ayun lang. Yeah. So, I hope you like it because, oh my God, bagay siya sa'yo really. So, yeah. It's a It suits you, so thank you.
Yes. Happy birthday sa'yo, friend. Yun lang. Ang ganda mo ngayon. Hindi, araw-araw.
Ayan, our next one. Hello. Ben, happy birthday. Ayan, ganyan kaming mga lalaki. Short and sweet lang. Thank you, sir. Next.
Wala na akong masabi.
And next po.
Bago mo happy birthday, bago mo yan, sana pag nakita nila sa amin ng order yung kuya mo at saka daddy mo. Sige, gusto mo. Dapat kinuha nyo na lahat. Kasama na kayo. Apat na kayo?
Order na kayo, guys.
Yun lang po.
Order po kay ate. Thank you.
Ang cute.
So, happy 18th birthday, B. Ang masasabi ko lang is have fun in life and good luck on achieving your dreams.
Hi, happiest 18th birthday. You look so beautiful tonight. I don't know. Ayun, always know that we love you so much. Ayun lang, thank you. Happy birthday, Beth. Yung ano
Hoy! Baliw!
yung gift na yan, hindi ko pumili niyan eh. Yung mga mura eh. Okay na po.
Baliw, may picture niya.
Sige po.
Ano yun, happy birthday ulit. Etong gift na to actually, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano i-gift ko sa'yo. Kasi ang dami ko nasa isip. Like, hindi ko maalam yung shades mo. So, eto na lang. Actually, sa aming dalawa to niyan yan. Kaya ayun. Ha? Basta yun. Happy birthday ulit. Hindi ko na binalot kasi mahihirapan ka pa mag-ito. Hello. Happy birthday. Wala, pinili ko lang kasi bagay sa'yo. Hindi yung kwintas.
Huwag na ako ayaw.
So, ayun, happy birthday ulit.
Wow! Nagalit siya.
Wala na akong message, pinasabi ko naman na naman. So, gusto ko lang ulit sabihin na I love you so much.
Okay po.
Ayoko. Happy birthday, Ben.
Sige lang, mama. Drink ko lang.
Ang ganda. Lahat naman nasa iyo na eh, kaya. Happy birthday, Alden. Hi, happy birthday again. Alam mo yan, birthday mo yan, take. Oo naman, syempre. Carmen, red yun. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Bayan! Sabay-sabay! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Unang-una sa lahat, magandang gabi. Salamat at nakarating kayo sa birthday ng anak ko. Grabe. Dream ko talaga to. Pagkano siya. Happy birthday, anak. Love you so much. Dream ko talaga to. Sana, yung dream ko sa kanya, makatapos sa pag-aaral. Sana matapos yan talaga. Kasi, malaking tulong sa kanya yun. Tapos, ayun, yung mga katrabaho ko, mga kaklase ng anak ko, mga kamag-anak lahat, maraming salamat. Ito, yung hindi lang talaga nawawala sa invitation ko, kumari ko, tsaka si May. Kasi, lahat ng party na dumaan sa mga anak ko, talagang 7th birthday sa mga yung puso ko, ganyan sila. Tapos, eto na naman ngayon, sana sa susunod na event, mas maganda, pero, ano pasensya na kayo sa space, pero talagang pinaghandaan po namin ng naming mag-asawa. Yun lang.
Ngayon, salamat din lahat, kuya. Maraming salamat ang pagkasyo mo. Kahit ba sa space, pasensya na talaga. Sa inyo po, pasensya na po, medyo maliit po yung space eh. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta sa birthday po ng anak ko. Tapos, prinsesa. Alam mo naman yun. Alam mo kahit alam mo naman nagagalit ako eh, di ba? Alam mo naman. Kaya ayaw namin ni mama mong na ito namin magpaalam. Papayagan ka naman, pero magpaalam ka din. Ayaw namin nang may mangyari din yung mataka. Alam mo naman yun eh. Kasi nagkaalala kami ni mama mo. Alam mo naman yun. Nandito na kami ni mama mo. Yun nga. Kahit hindi namin masabi ni mama mo nila mahal na mahal namin ka, mga kapatid mo, pinaparamdam naman namin sa'yo. Kahit alam mo nito, talagang pinala lang natin to, pinili talaga magkakasya lang sa para may bigay namin sa'yo. Basta yun, alam mo naman mahal ka namin. Pasensya ka. Salamat po, salamat.
Congrats pala kasi isa siya sa honor. Wow! Mga classmate niya. Honor siya. Sana magsipag pa. Congrats ate. Sir mo talaga to promise. Ginawa namin lahat ng daddy mo para to sa'yo. Thank you po.
Totoo yan, ano? Grabe. Almost lahat na magiging client namin, magagaling, masipag mag-aral eh. So, hindi ko na babayan ha. Bigay ko na microphone, bigay ko na ba kay Bean? Sa kuya daw. Kuya. Errol. Isa sa mga punong abala. Errol. Kaya alas malakas. Errol. Mayor, ikaw na. Magbibigay ko na lang inanalo. May message ko sa'yo. Ang message ko na lang sa'yo, mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Tapos intindihan mo muna kung ano yung kaya. Huwag mo muna ipipilit kung yung mga hindi mo muna gusto. Kasi nga, alam mo naman mahirap din ang buhay. Yung gusto mo mag-aaral sa ibang school, saka na muna yan. Stay ka na lang muna doon sa school natin. Bago doon. Kasi, siyempre, next year naman, patapos na rin ako eh. Diba, hindi sa next school year mo, doon na lang sa gusto mong school. Kasi, matutulungan ko na rin sila mama sa Matutulungan ko na rin sila mama sa pag-aaral niya.
Naka-record yan.
Happy birthday, Gayan. Thank you. Kuya. Butoy. Utoy. Go. Go na, go. Senator Go. Michael. Oh. Habang gumagabi, palamig ng palamig. I like it.
Mic check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yo. Yun, happy birthday sa kapatid ko. I-enjoy mo lang tong gabing to. So, andito lang kami mga kuya mo para gabayan ka palagi. Kung may kailangan ka, tawagin mo lang kami. Maligaw dito! So, yun lang, enjoy mo lang itong araw mo to. Mag-aral ka lang ng mabuti. Huwag ka na gumala. Yun, enjoy mo itong gabi na to. Mas marami pa ang birthday na darating sa iyo. Happy birthday.
Eric.
Hindi nyo daw sinama si Eric.
Oh, isa pa. Eric. Asa na yung shades mo, kuya?
Po, Delean. Huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend na. Malaman na namin, mag-boyfriend ka na. Tapusin mo ang pag-aaral mo.
Tama.
Birthday.
Ashton. Napapaligiran ng lalaking kapatid. Ashton. I love you, ate. Ikaw. I love you, ate. Okay na. Bogs. We want Bogs.
Happy birthday. 18 ka lang, tondo mo na. Joke lang. Hello? Aral ka na mo. Tapos, lumaki ka na maayos. Happy birthday. Iyak si Fonzie.
Lola, si Lola naman. Lola. Kalimutan natin si Lola. Wala, hindi pa nakapunta dito, umiyak na. Lola. Yan, palampakan na lang. Balikan na si Lola. Ayan na. Sinimulan na ni Lola. Diretso na. Ang luha.
Happy birthday, Ian. Sana marami pang kayong darating na karawan at birthday. Sana palagi kayong magdasal para sa Panginoon. At saka, yung mga magulang mo, huwag mo bigyan ng mga sakit sa ulo. Ha? At saka, huwag kayong ano yan? Sana makatapos kayo sa iyong pag-aaral at saka makatulong kayo sa iyong mga kapatid. Ha? Huwag kayong bigyan ng masakit ng ulo yung mga mama mo. Yan lang.
Kuya Bugoy, ikaw na, kanina. Kuya Bugoy. Kuya Bugoy. Kuya Bugoy. Kuya Bugoy.
Muntik na siya malay.
Ayun, first of all, happy birthday. Tapos sorry kasi galing ko sa work. Tapos, sana makabanding ko pa kayo ng marami. Kasi minsan lang ako makapunta kay Papa sa inyo. Kaya di ko kayo nakabanding. Pero hopefully naman makabanding ko pa kayo this year sana. Tapos sa inyo. Thank you.
Okay. Okay na siguro. Oh, pasok ko ng microphone guys to the beautiful, shining diamond of the night, Miss Veyan Palakbangan!
Thank you po sa mga pumunta. Thank you for making time for me. Even though may mga work kayo. Thank you po. Thank you mga pa sa kahit inis nyo mag-celebrate kahit ayaw ko. Okay, pera na lang. Yun lang, thank you po.
Kasi niya talaga, Baguio, Boracay.
Yan, practical si ate.
Happy